Hello, let's have a look at another product from the upcoming Trinity Stamps 3rd birthday party release. This is Wish You Were Here stamp set and coordinating dies. This is an adorable duo of gnomes that are enjoying a summer vacation. This stamp set includes one main image and 5 coordinating sentiments. The gnome couple stamp measures 4.5 inches by 3.3 inches. It's illustrated by star jam lines. There is a coordinating die available, which is sold separately. You can see here all the images are stamped and die cut, and then the images that do not have a coordinating die are stamped together on the flip side. I really like the look of the gnomes and the versatility. This is going to be a very easy card to create. Here is a look at some projects from our design team. Thank you for taking time to check out Wish You Were Here stamp set, available on June 25th.